absolutely amazing two-story colonial home is calling your name. With over 3,400 square feet, great kitchen, skylights and natural light, you will not want to wait to move in. With 4 spacious bedrooms including a large master suite, 2.5 baths, you will truly enjoy the space your new home has to offer. Home also invites you with a large and comfortable living room with charming brick fireplace, relaxing Florida room overlooking back decks and yards, modern kitchen and formal dining room, and an amazing recreation room that includes a 52-inch built-in television. Wet bar with great access to your wraparound back patio. Settled on 1.67 acres, your country-like setting will offer you peace and tranquility. With your country-style front porch or your wraparound back decks, you will also enjoy having your 2-car attached garage, very large fenced-in backyard, storage shed, and amazing